Welcome back. Well, equities have managed to bounce back. Let's figure out what's happening in the commodity markets. We've got Manisha in the house now. Manisha, what do you have your eye on this morning?
Well, I'm looking at metals because they seem to be gaining momentum as of now. We are trading on the higher side of the range, and it has been stronger gains in the last 1 week, or even for that matter in the last 1 month. You have to really make a difference between the ferrous and the non-ferrous metals because the non-ferrous seem to be doing well. It has to do with the positive China trade data, the CPI numbers, all of that has come in on the positive side from China. That has led to some buying. Remember, the Chinese yuan itself also is trading at a 5-week highs. If you look at the China new EV sales, well, that gained up almost 30% in the first 2 months of this year as compared to the previous year. So that is what is lending some support as well. And the markets also are looking at various statements, whether it is from US Fed or the ECB talking about interest rate cuts in this year. The dollar index trading at an 8-week lows ahead of the US inflation data today also has been a supportive factor here. I want to start talking about copper first because we're trading at a 5-week highs onto this one. There is strong support, and that is also because you are looking at the LME inventories down by nearly 30% in this year until now at just about 110,000 tons there. The markets also have seen mine disruptions, especially coming in from Codelco, where the supplies have declined by 16% in this year until now. It also has to do with the unwrought copper imports that China has been doing, which has been on the higher side. Actually, copper import numbers into China have stayed positive in last 4 months, and that is keeping the prices higher there. Also, the China loan data is also indicating towards demand, and that is something that the markets will wait out for. Not just copper, the other EV battery metal is nickel, and after 2 years of slide, we have seen prices trade at a 4-month highs as we trade right now. This one also is seen expectations of narrowing surplus onto this one. Slow allowance of mining in Indonesia, all of that factors have been supportive. In this case as well, we are looking at inventory seeing a bit of a decline on LME and also Shanghai. And then the traders and funds also have reduced bets and lower prices. That seems to be supporting. So there's some short covering happening onto this one as well. The final plate on your screen is about the price movement that we've seen in many of these metal prices. So take a look at on a week-on-week and a month-on-month basis, and you will see gains across these commodities. Copper has gained 2% in last 1 week, and we've seen 4% of strong gains come in for zinc as well. In the last 1 month, the best of the gains clearly coming in for nickel or zinc, 10 to 15% of a jump coming in for this one. And the markets do believe that for the rest of this quarter as well, you could be looking at further gains.
All right, Manisha, thank you very much for that.